Popular Tyson Teixeira, known also as Hikao, gonna square off against Łukasz Brzezinski. Łukasz Brzezinski is now fighting for the survival in the world of UFC, fighting out of Krakow, Poland. This heavyweight lost to Mick Pakin, recently defeated Walter Walker, but lost to Martin Budaj, Carl Williams, Valdo Cortez Acosta. I think UFC is losing patience with him, and he must win right now. If he loses, it's a night for him. Teixeira has just entered the UFC, and he destroyed Artur Lopez at Dana White Contender Series. He literally has all the stoppages. The guy is a typical shoot boxer with excellent BJJ, and he finished all of his opponents within the first round. And I'm really confident that this guy is going to participate in a great fight. He'll be looking for a finish, and I'm confident the fight will not go the distance. Side call, Teixeira leaving himself wide open, but I'm still giving him greater chances to win. I think Brzezinski gonna get kicked out of the UFC after this fight.